a NetSuite connection and a Slack connection to automate a company's PO accrual process. In our NetSuite demo instance, I've seeded some PO data, vendor bill data. So let's just build it from scratch and see how we go. But just to recap what I said, I want an app that helps us automate our PO accruals, use the NetSuite integration in Lumera to get POs received, not yet billed, and draft a PO accrual J as a reversing entry. Make me a dashboard. I want to generate this every month, and I want to preview. As you can see, I'm not doing any special prompting. I am basically, the way my persona for coding agents is I just pretend it's a coworker sitting next to me that is really smart at this stuff, and I ask it to do the things I want. Like the app we just created is over here. If you go to platform and integrations, this is for all the projects. So integrations are project scope, but we have company-wide integrations as well. So we have NetSuite already connected. I'm going to go here and explicitly enable NetSuite integration to be available to this PO accrual app. So I'll hit save. Can you imagine every time you need to connect and write a journal entry, you're not going to rewrite that journal entry code. You're going to try to use it in a pre-AI world. But right now, the cost of building this app that brings out PO data and sends a journal entry to NetSuite, it's probably going to cost us $50 in LLM costs. And if it's something that you can use over and over again every single month, the ROI is pretty strong table. So it created this table to keep track of the PO accrual runs. This way you can go back and run reports on which periods have had accruals generated versus not. As it sees the need for new tables, it is going to go create them. You guys saw this, right? I didn't go create the schema for this. The agent basically figured out what it needed and then it created it. But it essentially, every time somebody hits generate PO accrual, it's going to trigger this automation or this Python script to run. And the thing that I want to highlight to you is this actually doesn't use an LLM in this process at all, right? It basically is a static query where anytime somebody picks a date and hits run, it's going to go pass that date in and run it for this period. This is where the whole MCP versus API thing comes back into play, because this is using the API, and once you test it and it works for you once, it's going to write the same query every single period. So you're not constantly in this mode of how do I know if I can trust it or not.